Rock, report range status.
Range green.
T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go for main engine start. 0 and liftoff.
Engineer, proceed with MLP transport to pad.
Roger.
It's go time. The GOES-S launch window opens tomorrow. ULA and LSP have one last critical procedure to complete. Get the entire Atlas V stack and its mobile launch platform to the pad.
It is a fairly challenging activity if you think about moving a 1.5 million pound mobile launch platform and vehicle out to the pad.
Once it gets there, it will be loaded with rocket fuel and be ready to start the terminal count to T-0. Years of intense planning and coordination are finally rolling to the pad, and the majesty of the Atlas V is on display as it inches its way to liftoff.
The thrill of seeing that Atlas vehicle, all 197 feet of it, rolling up to the pad, it's just really exciting because I know that means tomorrow is launch.
GOES-S is particularly important because of how it's transforming our capability to predict weather and protect lives and property. And I can't wait for it to launch tomorrow and become operational.
So great to be here after a number of years of seeing the spacecraft come together and all the instruments integrated onto the spacecraft. Our baby is tucked in and ready for launch tomorrow.
This is the LC on 1 performing pre-test briefing. This operation is classified hazardous. Cryogenics will be loaded. ALC verified count to start at 1947 Zulu. Verified. Proceeding with the count.
We're launching today, and the ULA team got on console a few hours ago, turned power on the rocket, and we are counting down to T-0 right now. I'm on my way over to the ASOC, the Atlas Space Flight Operations Center, where the Mission Director Center and the Launch Control Center are located. And if the range is clear and the rocket is good, we're go for today. I love launch day. I'm so fortunate to work with a great team. Our team gets so incredibly excited to do missions, and it all culminates today.
Range coordinator. Clear to proceed. Launch director, you have permission to launch. Proceeding with the count. ALC verified T-0 is set for 2202 Zulu. Verified. Rock, report range status.
Range green.
Status check. Go Atlas.
Go Centaur.
Range Operations Controller reports range green. Everything is go.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And liftoff of Atlas V and NOAA's GOES-S, a highly sophisticated weather launching eye in the sky to join its trip, providing better forecasts and saving lives.
Atlas has begun a pitch and yaw maneuver to steer to its planned path at azimuth of 100.7 degrees.
It's just a thrill, especially when it all ends in launch success and mission success for GOES-S and this cutting-edge weather capability that our nation will now have.